Hey everybody, how's it going? I'm gonna apologize in advance for my voice. I went to a Primus concert last night and I was yelling very loud, so my voice is kind of shot. So bear with me on this. I received the new Smuggler's Bounty box from Funko, the Star Wars subscription box, and this time the theme is Droids. So I'm going to open this up and find out what's in it and show you what's in it. Oh yeah, I'll show you the box. R2-D2. Yeah, that's about it. So, okay, open this thing up. Get the tape off it. Sorry, it's being a little difficult. Alright. So, as with all these boxes, you get a pin, all the Funko boxes in general. Not just Star Wars, the Marvel boxes, the DC boxes. You get a pin and you get a patch with them. So I'll show you the pin, if I can get it out. It's it's a battle droid. I don't know if you can see that. It's a battle droid from the prequels, Clone Wars era kind of thing. And the patch is C-3PO and R2-D2. So that's pretty cool. Alright, set that aside. Pin back in the bag. Alright. We got two pops. Two pop vinyls. We got unfinished C-3PO pop vinyl. Take that out of the box, show it to you. Stand fell off. Put it back on the stand. Unfinished C-3PO pop vinyl. That's pretty sweet. Very cool. I knew there was going to be R2-D2 C-3PO in it, but or R2-D2 or C-3PO, but the fact that it's like a variant kind of C-3PO makes me happy. All right, I'm opening the next one. The next one is R5-D4. Awesome. Sorry. Everything's getting me problems opening these today. Jeez. There's the R5-D4 figure. Pretty awesome. And unlike last time, I got a shirt with this one, which is pretty much my favorite part of these boxes. So let me look at it first. Well, that's awesome. It's like the scene in Force Awakens where BB-8 shows the map. Yeah, I think it's what it is. The map, yeah, the map to Luke Skywalker, to where Luke Skywalker is. R2-D2 is there too. They're both showing the complete map. I don't know if you can see that. But that's pretty freaking sweet. I like that a lot. Awesome. So that's the Smuggler's Bounty for July. It's Droids. Theme is Droids. I'm not sure what the next one's going to be in July. It's every 2 months, so September. But yeah, that's this month. Hope you enjoyed it. If you love Star Wars, subscribe to this box. Especially if you love Star Wars and Funko. You get a lot of cool shit. And so, yeah. Have a great day, everybody. Hopefully my voice will be better next time I talk to you. See ya.